Hi, I'm Gareth Spence and welcome to Tech Talk. At this year's OFC, 50G PON is a hot topic, with Adtran's 50G PON live showcase driving a lot of conversations. To provide details on the demo that spread across the ITU and Adtran booths, I'm joined by Kevin Givens. Kevin, let's start with your partnership with the ITU. How is Adtran collaborating with them on 50G PON?
Our partnership with ITU has been instrumental in our preparation for the OFC show. What we've done is we've actually have fiber running between the Adtran and the ITU booth. What this enables us is to have an active demonstration of the real world capabilities of 50 gig PON. It also shows Adtran's investment into a standards-based approach that ITU is driving, keeping relevant, and keeping abreast of changing technologies.
Can you walk me through the 50G PON demo?
Absolutely, absolutely. So what we have here is we actually have our 50 gig 6405 ONU in the Adtran booth. And in the ITU booth, we have our OLT, an XGS PON ONU, a GPON ONU, and our traffic simulator. So we're running traffic. It's not just, hey, we have a fiber connection between the booths, but we're actively passing traffic, showing the real world capabilities and readiness of our 50 gig solution for our customers.
Can you talk a little bit about Adtran's 50G PON solution?
Absolutely. Our 4-port 50 gig OLT is triple combo capable, which means you have 50 XGS and GPON on every single port, giving our service providers the option and the capability to upgrade and augment their network with next generation speeds as they are ready for that.
Can you demonstrate the triple combo capabilities?
Absolutely. So within our 6405 OLT, each port supporting 50 gig XGS and GPON, allowing those service providers to pass traffic and run data speeds at 5 times XGS bandwidth.
I noticed the speed test shows 50G by 25G rather than 50G by 50G. Can you explain that?
Right, so currently what's available in the marketplace today is asymmetric 50 by 25. We will absolutely have 50 by 50 support in our existing products as well as products that are going to be coming out within the next calendar year to be able to support symmetric rates.
How easy is it for service providers to integrate this technology into their existing networks?
That's a great thing about our SDX 6400 series product line. It fits right in with our existing 6300 series products that we've been shipping for a number of years. Common look and feel, all managed under Mosaic Cloud Platform and driven with the capabilities of advanced knowledge through the M1 ecosystem.
Adtran is very much a leader in the 50G PON space. How does this technology fit into the broader vision of the portfolio?
It fits in with that incremental approach. So we started with the 4-port OLT to give our customers the ability to lead forward with next generation technology. From that, we'll be incrementing beyond the 4-port design with future models in the next year.
How much interest are you seeing from service providers?
A lot of interest. I'm not able to give specific names, but the list is long. And we've got customers ready now to put our products in their network to demonstrate the real world capabilities on their network that 50 gig is ready.
And what comes next?
What comes next? Excellent question. So I'm happy to announce that actually from our 4-port design, we're going to be incrementing to a 16 and 24 port models within the next calendar year.
Kevin, thanks for joining me today.
Absolutely, Gareth. It's been a pleasure.